Jim here, Hometown Roofing. And this border comes all the way, it curves, it's nice. We've got whatever kind of plant that is that this homeowner has. We've got roses. These are starting to come in. And it comes around, and I'm going back here to show you this over here in the back. Another side yard that people ask, what can you do in a side yard? What we did back here, we installed a Generac generator right here. Power goes out a lot in Texas. This little baby gives electricity to the entire house through gas. So we came off the gas line that's in the alley from the city. We dug around and we connected it to this. And now when the power goes out, Generac pops in. We have full power in the house, not just the refrigerator and the toaster. So a lot of the neighbors come here to get food, some lights, something warm to eat when there's a power outage. Generac, really good one. This one's called the Guardian 22kW. This is where our air conditioning outside unit is, and we had all this other place that was a mess, so we decided to raise some gardens. We grow vegetables in here, we rotate them, and what's important when you're growing vegetables is if you've got a certain type of vegetables like tomatoes and asparagus here this year, you want to rotate them to another bed and keep doing that so the soil pH stays good. And I'm not a agricultural guy, but I heard that for some people in Africa, believe it or not, that are doing this on a massive scale. If you want to learn more about what we're doing in Africa to help people who are starving and don't have water, check the website out.